Pull her faster.
I can't. Free bus ride.
This slow.
I'll take her. No! No! Get it. Watch. Hold on, Cody. Cody, stop. Thanks for the ride.
You're going too fast and you're getting too tall for her. You're pulling her. That's why she's having to stand up.
Position.
Come on,
Down.
run over Cody.
Can we roast
Scotty,
her?
quick. She's going to run all over him later on and she's going to end up getting in trouble. Stop. You're teaching her bad things.
No, when we lay on the ground, it's always been, if you lay on the ground, it's open territory. She can wrestle with you. She does like to wrestle. She'll jump on you. Like if you're just sitting down on the floor, she comes near. She got a good grip on that thing. Oh.
Get it.
She rips a hole in it. I don't want to hear it.
It's my pillow. It's my best.
No, she rips a hole in it. It becomes Scotty's pillow.
Yeah. What? Oh, yeah. Well, it's my pillow anyway. It's on
No,
the
it's
bed.
not.
It's mine. That's mine.
You guys need some new pillows in there.
We need a couple more. We bought 2, and those were the best thing we did. They already break it in pretty good, huh? I want a new bed. I want one of those beds.
Oh, you want to fight something, huh?
Huh? The mattresses, one of those new mattresses. The one there's one in particular. It was another one.
Sir does something early. Isotomic or something.
Oh, that thing was comfy.
Cody, stop. Let go. No!
Hey, you stole it from him.
Yeah, you stole it from me. Take it. I'm not feeling too good either. Anyway.